Morning, dear students. Already we had learned about the language of advertisement. Learn to only three: paper advertisement, invitation advertisement, and university inauguration similar advertisements. So this is the intermediate second year, the language of advertisement. So let's come to again we had learned another one, advertisement. So let's come to lesson. This is one kind advertisement. So I shall read, listen carefully. The Arun Ghosh Memorial Essay Competition. Main heading: the Arun Ghosh Memorial Essay Competition. Arun Kumar Ghosh, 1923-2011, was an economist. 1923 to 2001. Arun Kumar Ghosh, 1923 and 2001. So Arun Kumar Ghosh was an economist, administrator, policy maker, scholar, writer and activist who was passionately committed to understanding the process of development and to interventions to make development more equitable, just and sustainable. To mark the decade since his death, his family has instituted two prizes to be awarded. For the best essay written by young scholars on the theme. So, reimagining development in India. Scholars under 35 years of age resident in India are eligible to enter. Essay must be original works on the selected theme and maybe around 6,000 words and not more than 8,000 words. Entire must be submitted by 30th April 2011 to the following email: Arun Ghosh prize@gmail.com, or to the following address: Professor Jayati Ghosh, care of Mrs. Dalai Ghosh, 78 Munirak Enclaves, New Delhi 110067. The two best essays will be chosen by a jury of eminent economists and will be published in Social Scientist. The best essay will receive a cash prize of 25,000 rupees and the next best essay will receive a cash prize of 15,000 rupees. The prizes will be awarded at a ceremony to be held on 21st June 2011 Please send this. Please send the essay accompanied by a brief CV and contact details. So, this is the one kind advertisement. So, the topic mentioned. So, who is the memorial? Who is the conductor of the essay competition? The essay competition on behalf of the Arun Ghosh Memorial Essay Competition. So it was memorial. Who is the memorial person? Arun Kumar Ghosh. He was born in 1923 and 2001. So they are remember. Think about best we have to conduct in memorable achievement. So they are thinking about who is the best essay competitor in there. So participants are invited this competition. So no registered, only for whoever capable person, whoever ability in essay competition participant, whoever they will prove it is talent about essay competition. So the essay competition competitor are sending to address. They have mentioned two ways of address. The first one address is email ID. Address mentioned they will email. So Arun Ghosh prize at the rate of gmail.com. And another one way is they will mention postal address. What is that? Professor Jayati Ghosh, care of Mistress Dalia Ghosh, 78, Munrak Enclaves, New Delhi 110067. So they are mentioned two-way receiving in essay competitions and competitor presentations. And they will mention some instructions. The first one is whoever participant and who is participant participated in essay competition, eligible criteria are mentioned. What is that eligible criteria? 35 years old persons are participant. Participant are male or female, whatever it may be, both are eligible. But age factor is 35 years only, not more than 35. And another one factor is whoever participant in essay competition, it should be must remember, that is descriptive in topic presentation on papers. You will be used only 6,000 words and not more than 800 words. So they will evaluated only accepted in 6,000 words presentations. They are not accepted to 8,000 words. So around 6,000 words and more than 8,000 words. So we have to cross another one more. They will not evaluated. So what is the topic? The title of the essay competition main theme, Reimagining Development in India. Essay is Reimagining Development in India. They have given title. So we are expressed and analyzing about imagining development in India. We are present in paper. We are presented in paper. So approximately we have used 6,000 and not more than 8,000. So after you have to completed in essay competition reimagining development and think you have to question. So what is that? Already we have completed to essay. presented 6,000 words and below 8,000 words. So how could you present it? They will give you two ways. First one is mail ID and second one is postal address. And when will you the submitted? End of the date. So they have mentioned date. They have mentioned date. So we are submitted the date of 30th April 2011. Entire must be submitted by the entire all over submitted the postal and mail 30th April 2011. This is the end of the day. Submitted the final day. Final day is 30th April 2011. So finally they have observing and evaluated corrections in whatever it may be, etc. So evaluated and selected the person, and first prize they will announce it is 25,000 rupees of cash prize, and second prize is 50,000 cash rupees. So this is the advertisement. So the advertisement they have given some questions. So we have mentioned in one word answers only. First, any one matter, advertisement, pamphlet, listen. First we are read carefully, must be announced in advertisement, paper, pamphlet, invitation. First read carefully and understanding what is the matter, what is the theme, what is the main concept. So then we are mentioned. First question, what is the theme of the SI competition? What is the theme of the SI competition? They have already mentioned the theme, reimagine development in India. And second one, what is the occasion for the competition? What is the occasion for the competition? So it was Arun Ghosh Memorial SI competition. The decade since his death. What is that? The decade since his death. Occasion is the decade since his death. And third question, who has instituted the prizes to be awarded to the winners? Again I repeat, third question, who has instituted the prizes to be awarded to the winners? And answer is, his family has instituted two prizes to be awarded. They will awarded two prizes. His family has instituted two prizes to be awarded. And fourth, this is the answer of the third question. And let's come to fourth question. Who is eligible to enter the competition? Fourth question, again I repeat, who is eligible to enter the competition? So scholar under 35 years of age, resident in India are eligible to enter. So scholars under 35 years olders, and they have participator must be belongs to Indians. This is means citizenship of Indians. Only participant in Indians. And 35 years olders, scholars under 35 years age resident in India are eligible to enter the SI competition. So Arun Ghosh Memorial SI competition. And fifth one, when will the prizes be awarded to the winners? Again I repeat, fifth question, when will the prizes be awarded to the winners? So the answer is, the prizes will be awarded at a ceremony to be held on 21st June 2011. It means prize distribution day. They will announce prize distribution day. The prize will be awarded at a ceremony to be held on 21st June 2011. This is the answer in fifth question. So, dear students, today class we had learned to another one advertisement. So they have given one advertisement. So we read carefully and understand and how to fill the one word answers in questions. So thank you students. Remaining another one learn to next class.